today I'm showing you the procedure from Toyota in this case on how to fix the code P0741 torque converter clutch performance, or either transmission shift solenoid DSL has failed. In this case I have a Toyota Camry with a 2.4 liter engine, but this will apply for so many other Toyotas with the same engine too. I'm not working physically on this car today, but I'm showing you the procedure on how to fix it by chasing the wires and also by testing the transmission shift solenoid in this case. So when you have codes for any shift solenoids, the best thing is to follow the instructions or the procedure from Toyota before going ahead and replace one of these devices. First of all, they are very expensive if you buy them on the dealer. Secondly, sometimes they are not a problem, but the problems could be on the wires, could be the PCM, could be the valve body, could be the transmission, so many other things. Even dirty transmission fluid can cause this problem too, so always be careful with that. Always test it, and also test the wires to make sure everything is fine with the rest of the components. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the instructions, the procedure from Toyota. Alright, and this is how you fix the code P0741 transmission shift solenoid valve DSL has failed torque converter clutch performance. And if you think this video is helpful for you in any way, please consider to subscribe to my channel and stay blessed.